Today on Donaldo Cooks, we're making smash burgers. I'm Donaldo, this is Donaldo Cooks, and today we're making a smash burger. It's almost summer, it just felt right to do this. This isn't just any smash burger, this is Donaldo's smash burger. We're gonna cut up this chuck roast, grind up our own meat with some thin cut onions, and then instead of regular cheese, we're gonna do Gruyere cheese because I feel a little fancy. It's like a Swiss cheese, but it's not so intense. I don't know if that makes it fancy, but that's what we're gonna do. I got a chuck roast because it's got a lot of fat in it. Kinda want some fat when you're making some smash burgers. Otherwise, they're just gonna not be good. I don't think anything's good without fat. If you didn't know, steaks are good because of the fat. A few other meats you could use besides a chuck roast is like a brisket. Could be a little more expensive. Ribeye could be really good. That's even more expensive. But if you're a little bit trying to save some money, chuck roast might be the way to go here. It's got that nice fat. Totally marbled. It's perfect. Look at that. It is like the king of burger meat. First thing we gotta do is cut this guy up into chunks. I don't want to make extra small, so I'd rather leave them extra big. It's all different kind of cuts inside of these. You almost don't even have to cut it. These parts, they're barely holding together. We'll have some nice marbling in the inside like that. This is what we're looking for. You could grind it right now, but if I had time and I was trying to like really make things easy for myself, you grab a tray and toss it in your freezer for like maybe a half an hour, an hour. It's gonna stiffen up that meat a little bit. And when it comes through, it makes it easier for it to really rip it apart. But for us, we're grinding. Everything landed in the bowl, which came out really nice. Look at that. I'm gonna cut it up a bit with a knife, but I'm gonna use a mandolin because I wanna get really thin onion slices. White onions, this is the way to do it. Just gonna get rid of these ends. Well, I'm gonna leave the root. You know how you cry when you cut onions? That's because you're cutting that off. Don't cut that. All right, we're gonna use the mandolin. We're not gonna lose a finger, I promise. Well, no promises made. We're gonna put it on setting 1. We want these onions to like melt into the burger. If you leave your hand open, you're less likely to lose your fingers. If your mandolin has a tool, use that. Look at that, boy. They're translucent. We need a bowl. I do have a bowl. It's a strawberry, all right? Don't judge. I'm married. I have 2 kids. Guess what? They're girls. I don't get to pick bowls all the time, all right? So we have strawberry bowls. Now you know. That's it. Onions are chopped and they look really good. I can't believe how good that came out. Okay, I got some pre-peeled garlic, but not that much. We need a ginger. We don't need a lot of ginger, just a little bit. Ginger is the messiest thing. Oh, you know why? Because it's a root. Hello, duh. I knew that. I'm just gonna chop this up nice. Nice, 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 nice. That's more than enough. Maybe a tablespoon. So garlic is a different beast. There's little tricks to do this. Take it, right? Smash it, all right? Look at that. It's already done. A little bit of chopping now. It's like mush. Garlic is easy. It's a couple more in a different direction. That's it, there you go. Another tablespoon, about the same. Might even be a little too much. Maybe do like that much. Bowl. Spoonful of mayonnaise. Boom. Maybe 2. Boom. All right, we're gonna go a little heavier on the sour cream. Sour cream's got a little less of a flavor profile. Boom, boom. That's what we want, mostly sour cream. Let's put our ginger and garlic. Teaspoon of ginger, teaspoon of garlic. Nice olive oil here. That's nice, maybe a little more. Fresh cracked pepper. Maybe a little pinch of salt. A little spreck. Is that it? Oh, dill, hello. All right, we don't have dill, but that's okay. We're gonna use green onions because I don't have dill. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't chop your fingers off. There you go, that's probably plenty. These guys got a lot of flavor. They're not just a garnish. And once you start really chopping them up, oh my God, they are just packed with flavor. That's a good amount. Looks like a nice sauce. Look at that, it came out pretty good. Olive oil is gonna give it that little bit of color. Let's give it a little try, make sure everything's good. It's so good. It's like a ranch base, but it doesn't taste like ranch at all. All right, meat's done. Sauce done, onions done. Oh, what's left? Pickles, right? It's a 1-to-1 ratio. That's all you gotta remember. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar. Everything else is up to you. If you like black peppers in it, put black pepper in it. Oh, sugar, you can't forget sugar. All right, 1-to-1 ratio and sugar. It's just to kind of break down that acid taste of vinegar. And the only thing that counters that is sweet. Don't do 1 cup of sugar unless you really like it sweet. I usually just do like a tablespoon of sugar. But let's make some pickles. We'll grab the mandolin again. We'll keep it on 1. Keep those thin. I want that thin pickles. Nice pickles. There it is. Paper thin and delicious. Great. Bang them in the jar. Thing of beauty. This is everything we need for making pickles. 1 cup of water. Cup of vinegar. I know we said to use sugar. You can also use honey. Oh, that's it. It's probably like 4 tablespoons, honestly. You probably could do 2. We're just gonna get this thing boiling. Just give it a little mix, get that honey mixed in nice. The key to this is to get it to a simmer. Not even a simmer, like before a simmer. I'm gonna put some coriander and some whole black peppercorn seed and some coarse salt. And I can hear it starting to sizzle on the sides a little bit, which means that's it. Everything's melted, just shut it off. It's a mess, but let it go in slow. It's gotta go through all those pickles. Right on. Tighten it up, give it a shake, get that stuff to go around. And that's it. A little handful here, not a giant handful. That, bam, ball. 1 down, another handful. Something like that, kind of form it, smack them. Boom, another burger. Make a couple, you know, I got a family to feed. All right, a little formation. Food isn't meant to be perfect. These look good. Look at these things. Okay, cool. That's 3 burgers. Unless I was gonna make one for Baxter. Baxter gets a single patty. You know, they came out pretty good. That's Baxter's. These are regular People's. All right, I almost forgot. We gotta do the cheese grating. All right, I'm gonna do the small side. Whoa, look at that. That's exactly what we want. All right, that's it, we're ready. Let's go outside, let's get the grill fired up, and let's make some smash burgers. All right, we're at 400 degrees. Let's get this thing going. A little bit. Onions up on there. Cheese on this. We got our stuff here. Go inside. All right, that's it, all grilled. That wasn't that bad. That was actually really fast. I've never made them this thin, but this is how it's supposed to be, and they look really good. So let's get this built up and let's have a bite of this. Okay, it's done. Let's give this thing a try. It looks incredible. Come on. This is so good. I feel like summer's here now. 4th of July's around the corner, by the way, and these would smash. You see what I did there? You gotta give this one a try. I'll see you guys on the next one. Last thing to do. Don't think I forgot. Baxter. Baxter, here. Hey. Is it good? All right, buddy. See ya.